when you're Dutch but also have a Polish heart. It was a 2.5 hour drive on this Sunday morning to go to a place in the Netherlands where we will never forget, where there's a deep connection with Poland. I had to go there to experience, feel and capture. I immediately felt these strong feelings. Not just the love and appreciation, but something even deeper. Something that maybe words even can't describe. These Polish heroes gave their lives for the freedom of others. And we are here to remember them, to honor them, to feel all the feelings, so we can share it with others. Walking here made me realize how connected I truly am to Poland. It started with feeling happy every time I saw the Polish flag or heard the language. But now, after all these years, I feel not only a pure love for our country, I also feel proud that Poland is part of me. At the same time, I also felt proud to be Dutch, for the way they remember and share and tell the story. Because this deep connection between Poland and the Netherlands is truly here, in Breda. The people feel it and they know it. They not only liberated our country, they also couldn't return to their own home country because of this. So many of them decided to live their lives here. Even my friend told me he had Polish friends in the city where he grew up in the north of the Netherlands. The sons of soldiers. To grow as a person and find deeper meaning in your life, we should experience the stories, learn about them, and then share it to grow as a community, as a country. And then remember and realize that it's not you and me, but it's us. We all have our individual and collective difficult moments, but together we should remember and create a better future for everyone. We must learn from the past and choose better. We must learn from each other and inspire and empower each other. And most of all, share and connect and let people know. General Maciek was a true hero, a great man, and he and his soldiers liberated Breda in the most beautiful way. They did it in such a way that even nothing from the city was destroyed. We feel connected to him, his men and Poland. Even the man from the museum who was telling us the story was telling with such passion that it looked like he was talking about an old friend. In the whole city you can feel and see this connection. This makes Breda for me one of the most beautiful cities in the Netherlands. This Dutch city will also always have partly a Polish soul.
thankful what the Polish people did for Breda.
We made this huge flag was to educate the Dutch people itself.